everybody! So this is just a very casual video, no cut, no editing and everything. So yeah, I would just want to show you around Rainbowholic studio because it looks presentable right now. So this is the kitchen. I still have some dishes to wash, not really dishes, but you know, some things to wash. Yeah. Pantry, tea, and more tea. Okay, so this room is now for sleeping. Yeah. Hi. Just sleeping. Before, I used to also work here, but I realized that it's more convenient for me to just do everything in one room. So this is the room. It's kind of messy. The reality. So, yeah. New printer. This is the label printer. And then my cutting machine over there. And I brought this iMac all the way from Philippines. I checked it in when I was riding the plane, and yeah, I need to fix the Rainbowholic Studio sign because the W doesn't look good. Before, everything used to be like all over the place, but now I think it's kind of organized now. Tomorrow I will be packing all the pending orders, and I'm still waiting for some packages to arrive for the Double Rainbow patrons, who pledged last December. Yeah, so this is the new like live stream area when I do IG lives, or I don't know, in the future. And then of course, because this room is not really bright, I need this one. I really need lights. Yeah, you wanna tour. Yeah. I really like Posukuma, the Japan Post plushie character mascot, I mean. I really like this acrylic drawer. This is from Daiso. Yeah, you don't have to buy the Muji one. And this one actually is a makeup organizer. I bought it like from Rakuten, I think. But I think that I will just recommend the one from Daiso. It looks good. It's only 200 yen. Yeah, this one. And yeah, for workout and everything, sometimes I need to stretch, so I need this bench. Yeah. And some rewards. And okay, so that's all, everybody. Just a quick tour. Bye.